Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will let you know easy way to clean your white shoes. Mix dish soap into 240 ml of warm water. Any liquid dish soap will work for cleaning your shoes. Use about 1 teaspoon of soap so the water is surface but still clear. Stir the cleaning solution so it's evenly mixed. Then using a soft cloth or toothbrush, gently scrub the shoes with the mixture, working in circular motions. Scrub stains with a stiff bristled toothbrush. Dip the head of the toothbrush into the water so the bristles are wet. Work the bristles in small circular motions on the surface of your shoes, focusing on heavily stained areas. Use a slight amount of pressure to work the cleaning solution into the shoe's fabric. Clean the soles and rubber pieces with a magic razor. Dip the magic razor into your soapy water and wring it out. Wipe in short back and forth motions along parts of your shoes made of leather, rubber or plastic. Keep working the razor until all scuffs and stains are removed. Pat excess water away with a towel. Use either a cloth or paper towel to pat the soapy water and dirt off of the shoes. Avoid wiping the towel across the shoe's fabric since you could spread the dirt across the fabric again. Let your shoes air dry. After you initially pat them with the towel, put them in a well-ventilated area in your home so they can dry completely. Leave them alone for at least 2 to 3 hours before wearing them again. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.